Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, Sirius satellite radio, cruise control, power steering, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.